How to delete email account on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. Scroll down to Settings and then click on Accounts. In Accounts, you'll find all your accounts pop up. Click on the account you want to delete. Then, click on Account Sync. After that, turn off Gmail. After you've done that, go back and then click on Remove Account. After you click on Remove Account, click on Remove Account again and your email account will be deleted from your phone. This is how to delete email account on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.